Good morning, students of class 2. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is Water for Life. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the uses of water, why is water important, how can we conserve water. Okay, what is the importance of water? We are going to learn about all the importance of water in our daily life. So let us quickly begin the chapter. Water is our basic need. All living things need water to survive. So water is our basic need. It is the basic necessity of life. So we cannot live without water. All living things need water to survive. We need water for various purposes. We need water for drinking. Water is used for drinking. Water is used for cooking. Water is used for bathing. Water is used for washing and cleaning. Water is used for watering plants. Plants cannot survive without water. So water is used for putting out fires. So these are the various activities for which we need water. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, even for putting out fires. And plants also need water. Plants need water to grow. Water is used for transporting people and goods by boats and ships. So water is also used as a medium of transport. Water is used for transporting people and goods. Water is used by farmers for growing crops. So without water, crops will not grow. They will not survive. They will die. Water is used for generating electricity. So we need water for generating electricity. Now let us go to the next topic, that is plants need water to grow. So our next topic is why is water necessary for plants? So plants need water to grow. They need water to prepare their own food. So without water, plants will not grow. They will not be able to prepare food. The roots of the plants take water from the soil. So the roots of the plants go deep inside the soil and take water from the soil. Water dissolves nutrients to the soil and carries them to different parts of the plants. So water is essential for plants because all the nutrients in the soil are carried to the different parts of the plants with the help of water. So plants absorb water from the soil and it carries nutrients to different parts of the plants with the help of water. Animals need water for drinking. They drink and cool themselves in rivers, lakes, and ponds. So unlike human beings, even animals need water for drinking. So they drink water from rivers or lakes and ponds. So let us go to the next topic, that is sources of water. So there are two sources of water, natural sources and man-made sources. So we are going to learn about two sources of water, that is natural source and man-made source. So first let us look into the natural sources of water. So which is the natural source of water? Rain. Rain is the main natural source of water. The water we get from rain is called rainwater. Rivers, lakes, ponds, and springs are some other natural sources of water. So the main source of natural water is rain. So other than rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, and springs are also some of the natural sources of water. So when it rains, the rainwater fills up rivers, lakes, streams, and ponds. So these rivers, lakes, streams, ponds are filled up by water during the rainy season. When it rains, the rainwater fills up the rivers, lakes, streams, and ponds. So these are the natural sources of water: rain, river, lake. So the river, lake is filled up during the rainy season, which are the natural sources of water. Some rainwater seeps deep into the soil. The water present below the ground is called underground water. So during the rainy season, rainwater seeps into the soil. The rainwater or the water which is present below the ground is called underground water. Sometimes due to high pressure, the underground water sprouts out in the form of spring. So the underground water that sprouts out is called spring water. It sprouts out due to the high pressure. Now our next topic is man-made sources. So what are the man-made sources of water? Let us have a look. Dams, canals, wells, tube wells, and hand pumps are some man-made sources of water. So dams or canals or wells or tube wells and hand pump. These are some of the man-made sources of water. We draw underground water through wells, tube wells and hand pumps. So we get water from underground with the help of well or tube well or hand pumps. We build dams and canals to use river water. So dams and canals are built so that the river water can be used. So this is a dam. Okay, tube well. Tube well is used to draw underground water. Dam is built to use the river water. Thank you, students. We will continue the rest of the topic in our next class.